Yeah, he's good.
Hey, what are you doing in the bathtub? What are you doing in here? Go get it. Are you ready for the thunderstorm?
Little baby bear. Baby bear. Little baby bear. Yes, Dada.
Yeah, she is. She's flicking her feet. Are you swimming? Clever girl. Clever.
You want a belly wrap?
Ooh, 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 ooh.
She's doing so well. Yeah.
She's such a little bear.
So we have to take a bath today. She's not very keen on it. She doesn't like it very much. It is somebody's birthday on Friday, so we're celebrating early, okay? Very first cappuccino. Go, baby, go! Go, baby, go!
What are you doing? What do you think? You like it. Of course you would like it. He likes it. Do you want more? Do you like the carrot?
Where's the beef?
Here we go. Here is the captain, co-captain of the Buchanan Dog swim team. He's on, well, now it's the Buchanan Dogs lounge team.
You want a belly wrap? I miss you.
One more time, boo boo. You're swimming.
Oh my god, okay, wait. Sit still for a second.
Hi, Puppy. Hi, Puppy.
Jack, do you hate your haircut? Do you hate it? Yeah. You got it? Yeah.
Does that feel good? Oh, look at him moving his paws. Good boy. You're so good.
Sophie. What you doing?
Here. Gus. Gus, come on.
Did Mommy get you the smallest cappuccino in the world?
Oh my god, John.